How to use Wangen Land Meter D5E, Section 3, Fixed Point Area Measurement. The Fixed Point Area Measurement mode is suitable for straight-sided irregular land plots with more than 3 points of inflection. First, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. After turning on the device, go to an open area to wait for star reception, such as an open grass field or farmland. Wait for a few minutes until the HDOP stabilizes below 1.0. Use the up and down keys to switch between different measurement modes. We select the Fixed Point Area mode, press Start to start the measurement. After starting the measurement, we press Enter at the starting point to save the starting point information. Press Enter to save the information at all the inflection points we have passed. When we return to the starting point, press Enter to save the information. In order to ensure that the measurement results are more accurate, it is recommended that we pause at each inflection point and then press Enter to confirm the measurement. Press Return to save the data. End this measurement.